Hi everyone, and welcome, and thank you for clicking on this and watching this at your own risk. I'm Pretty Average Girl, and I just recently started a YouTube channel. I'm here to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about why. In the midst of all the YouTubers out there, why in the world should you be interested in me? First things first, I'm average. I'm not a movie star, I'm not a makeup artist. I am a newly married working professional who, like a lot of you, have been exploring things on YouTube for years, and I decided that I wanted to share some things and I wanted to share my journey with you guys. I recently, after getting married, gained quite a bit of weight, which was not what I planned on. But between a lot of different life situations, that's what happened, and I hated my body. Even with all the body positivity messages out there, that those did not apply to me because I was different. And it came a long time for me to realize that no, I'm not different. It is so normal for us women to have these issues, and for men as well. And I had to realize that I wasn't unique in this. I was average. I was just average. That there's so many that struggle with this. And I also came to realize that, hello, this is my body. This has gotten me through so much. And I not only need to take care of it, but I need to celebrate it. Even if it's not what I want ideally in my mind, it's still beautiful. So I really truly hope that if you're struggling with these issues, that I can help to inspire you, like so many women have inspired me, to look at their body not through the filter of what they don't like, but look through it in the filter of which strengths are there. So I've been going through a bit of a health journey, so I'm going to be sharing some of those things with you. Recently, since I've been married, I did a little bit of a fashion transformation. I used to be a walking fashion faux pas, guys, you would not believe. I've also come back into makeup. I used to be really huge into it, and I followed all the big YouTube beauty gurus, and I'm not sure that I can offer you any more than they can, but you know what? I am just your average girl with an average budget, just playing with colors and playing with makeup, and I love it. So I wanted to just share that love with you. I just did a makeup tutorial on this look here, which was experimenting with some oranges, which was a unique thing for me. Go ahead and check that video out. I'll also be sharing with you some of the resources that I have that have allowed me to be more budget friendly for myself, because guys, we're not in the best economy right now, and we are all working really, really hard to make ends meet and to also just make our lives enjoyable and to pursue some of our hobbies and passions. So I have found a way to do this by sticking to my budget and finding areas to bargain hunt for things. So hopefully that can be a helpful resource for you. If you guys have anything that you have questions about or concerns about, my channel is here for all of us to learn. This is going to be an area of positivity and wisdom and knowledge sharing. That's what I want. And guys, let's band together and let's make this just a beautiful channel, all right? If you like that, subscribe, like my videos, and share them with someone that you think might benefit from them. I'm here to have fun. I am here to enjoy everything this little average life has brought me. And guys, there is not a single one of us that is average. So when people say that you're average, it's not true. You are incredible. And you're amazing. All right? Average doesn't exist. There is no such thing as average, because we are all so incredibly unique, down to our DNA and our molecules, down to everything that we look like and sound like. So what they're really saying, guys, is you're mythical and you are one of a kind. So come, join me in my pretty average life, in my pretty average channel. Thank you so much for just being a little bit of part of my life and for allowing me to be a little bit of part of yours. So go out there, show everyone how average you really are.